As we know, prostate cancer is the leading cancer in men, and it's a high burden of disease in this hospital and in the country as general. So one of the main things in cancer is adequate diagnosis. You want to make sure that when a patient comes here, you don't miss the diagnosis. So this machine will enable adequate and efficient diagnosis for patients. The other thing, with the high burden of disease we have, it will also cut waiting times for patients and enable efficient delivery of services. The machine is different from other machines in that this machine can give us 2D imaging of the prostate. The previous machines were only giving us one dimension. So with 2 dimensions of imaging for the prostate, it is easier for you to accurately biopsy a target without missing it. So this machine will go a long way in efficient diagnosis and improving our services here locally.
The introduction of this new machine is a significant milestone for the hospital, bearing in mind the number of patients continues to rise on a weekly basis. Ladies and gentlemen, the support from our partners, AstraZeneca, with this extra machine will enable us to serve more patients per day without having them to wait in the booking for this service. We are also delighted to note that the other urology patients, this machine will aid in early diagnosis of cancer cases. Ultimately, this will improve turnaround time in diagnosis and treatment of our patients, hence better outcomes. As I conclude, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to appreciate AstraZeneca. Thank you very much for donating to us this critical equipment, critical ultrasound machine that is worth Kenya shillings 7 million to our hospital. It will go a long way in helping us diagnose needy cases. We acknowledge acknowledge the promise from our partners to continue supporting KUTRH by supporting our sonographers and biomedical team, by building their capacities in interface, application, and maintenance. We also request our partners to support in the maintenance of the machine to ensure optimal uptime. Our flagship project is oncology, and we have received many patients coming in here for cancer, not just from Kenya but also outside the country. And we want to ensure that we have all the equipments that we require in order to take care of those patients. So for now, some of the numbers we have, we're not able to take care of them every week. You know, they have to be booked to come at another time. But now with this particular machine, for example, now this machine is able to take care of 20 patients a day. And those who are patients who will have come maybe in a week or another 2 weeks' time. And so this is an additional resource for us. And so, and it will help. And not just in oncology, but for the other areas, we are looking to see what kind of gaps we have so that we are able to source those machines, buy them ourselves, or from other donor partners. We are writing proposals so that we can get adequate equipment for this hospital, which we are aspiring to be the subspecialty hospital where all patients requiring services are referred to, not just in the country but also in the region, so that no Kenyan travels abroad for any services that can be brought here.